Get into the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a tech-savvy Outlander Sport that punches up your daily drive with touchscreen infotainment, a flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, and handsome looks. Enjoy all the conveniences this snazzy subcompact crossover has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Feel up for the adventure in this energizing Outlander Sport. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.